optical wireless communication. In this video, I will discuss about radio wireless technology. Godox V860 Mark II Flash uses 2.4 GHz radio wireless technology that covers 100 meter, means 328 feet. It also works with Godox X1 series trigger. I have already created a video on X1 trigger and the receiver. You can find the link in the description below this video, and I also inserted card above. Their optical communication is less effective in outside in bright sun. Their wireless communication is more reliable and it can pass through any physical barrier. We don't have any problems with the modifiers that cover the sensors. If flash unit needs to sit inside the softbox or similar. That's what makes me excited to use Godox V860 Mark II units. Now I am showing you how it works with the Godox X1 series trigger. The system allows 3 groups of the flashes work at the same time, and user can choose between 32 channels to clean up other radio system in surrounding area. The V860 Mark II flash still controlled optically across 4 channels, but when in radio mode, it has the range of 100 meters and works outside even in bright sunlight. So before watching this video, I request you click on the subscribe button and click on bell. Now I am showing you which gear I am using in this video. I am using Godox X1 trigger, Godox X1 receiver, Godox V860 Mark II flash and Nikon D7500 camera. Switching on the flash. Now flash is on by showing red light on test button. At present, flash was set on ITTL mode. In LCD panel, flash position showing up. As I will down to normal position, up arrow will be disappeared. Now I press the wireless button. It is showing optical wireless mode that I explained in last video. This symbol showing flash is on optical communication. Pressing it again, LCD color turned to orange. That means flash is on slave mode. Pressing it again, now it is showing radio wireless mode. When I press wireless button 4 times, LCD panel turn into orange again like optical slave mode. Now flash is on group A, mode ITTL and channel ID is 1. If you want to know more about, kindly watch the first video on V860 flash. I added the card and also added the link in description. As I switching on trigger and trigger talk to flash and it automatically set on same settings. Now I am changing M mode to TTL from trigger. You can see flash setting also changed to ITTL. Now I am using wireless receiver for Nikon SB800. V860 Mark II flash does not need receiver because it is already built-in speed light. But Nikon SB800 or any flash and strobe need receiver to work with X1 wireless system. You can also use X1 receiver with studio strobe with flash sync cable. It also comes with X1 trigger and receiver pack. Godox has also a good range of strobes with built-in receiver like famous AD600 and KOS series. It is showing channel ID 1 and group C. As I switch on Nikon flash, it was already set on remote, but remote system will not work with radio wireless communication. It will work only with optical wireless slave mode. Now I off the remote mode and set flash to ITTL, but need to change the setting of receiver. It was set to C. I am changing group C to A. Now transmitter is ready and set on A group. Nikon Speedlight with receiver is also set on A group. V860 is ready and set on A group. Now both flashes are ready to fire. You can see as I press the test button, both flashes were fired. See it in slow motion, you can see the same. Now I am using V860 as a master. By pressing wireless button after optical slave mode, it will be set to master mode and LCD panel turned into green again. You can change the group width by pressing function 4 button. Change the mode settings M or TTL by pressing function 3 button. change the FEC value by pressing function 2 button, but values will be changed by rotating dial. I set master flash on TTL mode and A group also set on TTL, so other flash set on slave mode either on S1 receiver or inbuilt receiver will work on same settings. But if we are not using Godox flash, we need to set receiver setting manually. If you are using Godox flash built-in receiver, the setting will change automatically, like we change from transmitter. Now both master and slave flashes are ready in group A and channel ID is on 1. As I press the test button, both flashes will fire. See it again in slow motion. That is all for now. I will come again on next Monday with new video. Till then, don't forget to comment and give the ideas, so I will create those videos that you want to watch. Thanks for watching.